Hello, educators. Now that you know to look at the North Carolina standards and the unpacking documents for the what behind teaching, let's move to the how. How will you teach math and science in your classroom? How will you engage students in the learning process so that they take ownership of their learning? Let's think about science for a moment. It will be important for you to dig into the practices and framework provided by the National Science Teaching Association. Science begins with a question, not with a textbook. Why is the sky blue? Why does the sun disappear at night? What happens if you eat a watermelon seed? Why is poop brown? Drawing on your students' curiosity is one way to engage them with science learning. The elementary schools that I was associated with used the 5E model for the science classroom. This structure for learning takes students through 5 phases as they interact with science: engage, explore, explain, elaborate, evaluate. The 5E model begins with engage. During this phase, the teacher prepares some activity that promotes curiosity. It could be a demonstration, a visual, exploring a website, exploring a video. All these things prompt questions and prompts for further investigation and breathes student curiosity. Explore. This is time for students to explore the question or problem that came up. They have structured time and necessary materials to explore. What is the problem I'm trying to solve? What do I need to find out? What do I already know? Explain. With the teacher as the facilitator, students have the opportunity to explain what they have explored. They consider and provide new vocabulary that came up for them, questions or confusions that they worked through, an explanation of their initial results and ideas. Elaborate. The elaborate phase allows students to apply their knowledge to something new and extend their conceptual understanding. Perhaps they apply their knowledge to a new situation. Evaluate. Providing students time and guidance to evaluate their learning and show their understanding of key concepts is crucial for your young scientists to transfer their learning. So, as you intentionally plan for science learning, ask yourself, am I providing quality opportunities for students to engage, explore, to explain, to elaborate? What about evaluate? Find joy in your teaching.